Welcome back to City's Pulse Explorers. Things nobody tells you about Amman, City Guide. There's a certain magic to the moment just before dawn, a quiet promise held in the air. In Amman, that promise unfolds across hills and ancient stones, a city woven into the earth itself. As the first light touches these stones, whispers of millennia seem to echo. Every corner, every staircase, reveals another piece of a story stretching back through the ages. Amman is more than grand monuments. It's a city of hidden alleyways and daily life, in the steam from a street vendor's cart, in the footsteps on a crowded street, and in the quiet contemplation of a man sipping tea. Amman reveals itself. The mission is to peel back the surface and find the authentic heart of Jordan's capital. This is more than a travel guide. It's an invitation to experience Amman's endless discovery. This is Amman, seen through new eyes. Let the exploration begin. To understand Amman, begin with its foundations. Amman isn't built on a grid. The city sprawls over hills, originally 7, now at least 19. The hills shape everything: traffic, architecture, and daily life. Walking here means climbing, navigating a vertical city. Stairways are everywhere, connecting upper and lower streets. These stairways serve as shortcuts, playgrounds, and gathering spots for neighbors. Many are decorated with art or plants, each with a unique story. Amman is a city of layers, physically and socially. From rooftops, neighborhoods appear perched on distant hills, each with a distinct rhythm. The views are stunning, a reward for every climb. Even short trips become winding journeys up and down. Amman isn't just spread out, the city is stacked up. To know Amman means embracing the climb, one step, one hill at a time. Would tackling the hills and stairs of Amman be on the itinerary? Share thoughts in the comments about visiting this incredible city. In the heart of downtown Amman, Duke's Diwan stands as a living testament to the city's rich heritage. Step inside and be transported back in time, each room preserved to reflect the traditions of old Amman. Ottoman and Levantine influences shine through in the high ceilings, arched windows, and hand-painted details. Black and white photographs and artifacts line the walls, echoing memories of generations past. More than a museum, the Diwan is a gathering place where locals and travelers share stories over Arabic coffee. A cultural hub, hosting artists, poets, and musicians who keep Amman's creative spirit alive. Sunlight streams through open windows, connecting tranquility inside with the vibrant city below. From the balcony, Amman's old and new worlds blend together in the golden light of sunset. Duke's Diwan remains a cherished bridge between eras, welcoming all who seek the spirit of Amman. Would you visit Duke's Diwan? Let us know in the comments below. In Albalad's souks, the real magic begins. Step off the main street into a maze of covered alleys, each with its own specialty. Souk al-Bukhariya is packed with perfumes, antiques, and souvenirs, the air thick with oud and incense. Shopkeepers sit on stools, ready with a story or tea, faces full of experience. Souk al-Sukar, the sugar market, is a paradise for sweet lovers. Displays overflow with dates, figs, Turkish delight, and Nymphaeum. Vendors offer free samples, sharing the souk's sweetness and hospitality. Impossible not to indulge. The energy is contagious. Slow down, moving with the crowd, soaking in every detail. Rugs, ceramics, and the sound of metalwork fill the senses. This is a living marketplace, where every exchange is personal. Amid the bustle, a cat naps on a sack of spices. A shopkeeper pauses with newspaper, lost in thought. Albalad is a place of contrasts, chaos and calm, tradition and modern life, all woven together in Amman's vibrant heart. Perched atop Jabal al-Khala, the Amman Citadel stands as a silent guardian over the city. Here, layers of history are visible in the earth and stone, Roman, Byzantine, Umayyad, all leaving their mark. The Temple of Hercules and Umayyad Palace rise above the ruins, icons of Amman's past. As the sun sets, golden light bathes the city, connecting ancient stones with the vibrant present. At golden hour, Amman's history and modern life are beautifully, inextricably intertwined. Stories or memories of the citadel at golden hour are welcome in the comments below. Amman is a city of villages, each with its own rhythm and soul. Among the most beloved neighborhoods stands Jabal al-Wabdeh, a historic district perched on one of Amman's famous hills. In this place, time seems to slow down. Stroll along leafy streets lined with elegant stone villas, many dating back to the early 20th century, and discover a thriving art scene, galleries, studios, and murals that tell stories of the city's creative spirit. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee drifts from cozy cafés, where locals and visitors gather to chat, read, or simply watch the world go by. Jabal al-Wabda is also a place of harmony, where churches and mosques stand side by side, reflecting the neighborhood's rich cultural tapestry. Just a short walk away, the atmosphere shifts upon arrival at Rainbow Street, one of Amman's most iconic thoroughfares. Once home to Ottoman-era residences and embassies, today Rainbow Street buzzes with life. Colorful buildings house trendy boutiques, rooftop lounges, and some of the city's best restaurants. The street comes alive in the evenings, with the sounds of laughter, music, and the sizzle of street food vendors preparing Jordanian favorites like Nymphaeum and falafel. From lively art house cinemas to hidden bookshops and rooftop cafes offering sweeping views of the city, Rainbow Street is where Amman's old-world charm and modern energy blend seamlessly. Whether exploring art galleries in Jabal al-Wabda or soaking up the vibrant nightlife on Rainbow Street, these neighborhoods invite an experience of the true heart of Amman, where history, culture, and community come together in every corner. What about you? Share your favorite spot in Amman in the comments below. We'd love to hear your recommendations. If Amman's streets tell stories, then the Jordan Museum is a living archive, a treasure trove preserving the nation's rich heritage and culture. Home to priceless artifacts, the museum showcases wonders such as the Dead Sea Scrolls and the oldest known human statues. With interactive displays and engaging galleries, Jordan's history comes to life for visitors of all ages. From prehistoric relics to Islamic art, each exhibit tells a piece of Jordan's story. The Jordan Museum connects past and present, offering a window into the heart of the nation. Has the Jordan Museum been visited, or is it on the list? Thoughts can be shared in the comments below. Rising above Amman's bustling streets, the King Abdullah Mosque stands as a beacon of faith and architectural grace. Instantly recognizable by its striking blue dome, this modern masterpiece serves as a symbol of unity and reverence at the heart of the city's skyline. Completed in 1989 and named in honor of Jordan's founding monarch, the mosque seamlessly blends traditional Islamic design with contemporary elegance. Inside, an atmosphere of tranquility exists beneath the vast sky-hued dome, a space capable of welcoming up to 7,000 worshippers at once. Intricate geometric patterns, luminous stained glass, and delicate Arabic calligraphy adorn the mosque's interior, inviting reflection and awe. Outside, sweeping courtyards and graceful minarets offer panoramic views of Amman, making the site a favorite spot for photographers and visitors alike. Nestled at the foot of Amman's ancient citadel, the Roman theater stands as a majestic testament to the city's enduring legacy. Built in the 2nd century AD during the reign of Emperor Antoninus Pius, this grand amphitheater once formed the vibrant heart of Roman Philadelphia. Carved into a northern hillside to keep spectators cool, the theater's sweeping tiers once welcomed up to 6,000 people, locals and travelers alike, gathering for dramas, poetry readings, and lively civic gatherings. Today, the Roman theater continues to be a living stage, hosting concerts, cultural festivals, and traditional performances that draw crowds from across Jordan and beyond. Impressive acoustics, perfected by ancient engineers, allow even the softest whisper to carry from the stage to the highest seat. As the sun sets and golden light bathes the weathered stone, the theater transforms into a magical backdrop for music and storytelling, linking Amman's modern rhythms with echoes of a distant past. More than just an archaeological wonder, the Roman theater is a proud symbol of Amman's layered heritage, a place where history, art, and community converge. Whether explored by day or illuminated by night, the site invites visitors to step into the footsteps of generations, to listen for the applause of centuries, and to celebrate the living culture of a city shaped by time. In the heart of Amman lies a remarkable relic of the city's ancient past, the Nymphaeum, a grand Roman public fountain that once stood as a vital source of water and a symbol of civic pride. Built in the 2nd century AD, the Nymphaeum was more than just a fountain. It served as a gathering place, a marvel of engineering, and a testament to the sophistication of Roman Amman. Imagine the scene centuries ago, locals filling amphorae, children playing in the cool spray, and travelers pausing to rest in the shade of grand arches. The Nymphaeum's architecture was both functional and beautiful, featuring marble columns, ornate mosaics, and elaborate niches that once held statues of water nymphs. Ingenious Roman engineering brought fresh water from distant springs, channeling it through underground aqueducts to feed the fountain's basins and cascades. Today, the Nymphaeum stands as a silent witness to Amman's layered history, inviting visitors to imagine the daily rhythms of ancient life. Its central location once made the site a hub of activity, where news was exchanged, friendships forged, and the city's lifeblood, water, was shared by all. Ongoing restoration efforts aim to preserve this treasure, ensuring that the Nymphaeum continues to inspire awe and curiosity for generations to come. As the sun sets over Amman, the Nymphaeum stones glow with the memory of centuries past, a reminder of the city's enduring spirit and the ingenuity of those who once called it home. Have you ever visited the Nymphaeum, or is it on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and dreams. Amman's nightlife scene bursts with energy, highlighting 4 standout clubs and bars not to be missed, each with a unique charm. First up is CLSTR, an underground club famous for electrifying electronic music and top-notch DJs. The vibe here is raw, energetic, and perfect for those who love to dance until sunrise. Next, Cantaloupe Gastro Pub. This rooftop bar offers sweeping city views and a relaxed, stylish atmosphere, ideal for sipping cocktails under the stars and enjoying Amman's skyline. For those craving Latin rhythms, Copa Central delivers with lively salsa nights, vibrant music, and a crowd that loves to celebrate. It's the go-to spot for a festive, dance-filled evening. Finally, O6 Gastro Lounge stands out for its sophisticated setting, creative cocktails, and gourmet bites, all set against a stunning city backdrop, making it perfect for a chic night out. Each of these venues offers something special, together showcasing the vibrant diversity of Amman's club and bar scene. For top shopping destinations in Amman, these 4 malls should be on any list. Mecca Mall is a family favorite, known for a wide range of stores and a bustling food court that keeps everyone satisfied. City Mall is the go-to spot for international brands and features a popular cinema, making it ideal for shopping and entertainment. Taj Mall stands out with upscale boutiques and rooftop restaurants, offering beautiful views of the city. Abdullah Mall, located in the heart of Amman's new downtown, combines luxury shopping with exciting events and activities for all ages. Each of these malls offers a unique experience, making them must-visit spots for anyone exploring Amman's vibrant shopping scene. Amman, ancient stones and neon lights, a city of endless discovery. Here, every street reveals new secrets, every meal and smile a story. Amman's soul is generous, its spirit welcoming. Thank you for joining this journey. Until next time, keep exploring and travel with an open heart. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video.